Hey, what's going on guys? Boost Auto here, and in this video we're going to show you how to install our Auto Fogs mod to your 2023 and newer Colorados and Canyons. Let's get into it. Before we get into the install, let me tell you a little bit more about our Auto Fogs mod. The Auto Fogs mod seamlessly integrates your fog lights to your auto headlight system. This means your fog lights will turn on and remain on whenever your park lights or headlights are turned on, without the need to manually trigger your fog lights separately each time. This is a great way to ensure enhanced visibility every time you're on the road. Great visibility, great product, easy install. Let's get into it. Before we hop on into the cab, let's go ahead and quickly disconnect our battery. So your battery is going to be located on the passenger side of your underhood, close to the firewall. Let's real quick disconnect our negative terminal. Go ahead and set that off to the side. Once the battery is disconnected, head on over to your driver's side of the vehicle. We're going to reach in under the dash on the driver's side, right by the kick panel. Once again, driver's side, under the dash, by the kick panel, right in here. Let's locate our LCM. We're going to go ahead and disconnect our green connector and our blue connector right over here. To disconnect, simply pull down on the locking tab and press down on the connector and pull it out. And we'll do the same for the blue connector way over there at the other end. Let's work on this green connector first. Now, you may or may not have this shield in front of your wires. If you do, rotate it, find the bottom, and just pry these tabs out. So on this green connector, we're going to locate pin 7. As you can see, pin 7 is on the second row in the third slot from the left. It's this wire right here. If you want, you can trace it further down and tap to that wire. Go ahead and press it in all the way and make sure you hear it click in place. Okay, that was for the fog light. Next up, for our Auto Fogs mod, we're going to tap to our park light. That way, whenever the park light's triggered, our fog lights are also going to come on. Now, park light is going to be on this blue connector right here. Park light with a connector tab pointed up is at the very bottom row, one over from the right at pin 28. As you can see, our Boost Auto tow mirrors have tapped into this park light or running light wire. If you want, you can tap further up ahead, but what we're going to do is we're going to tap on this inline fuse right here. As always, make sure the T-tap clicks into place. Next up, we're going to grab our Auto Fogs mod. We're first going to take the blue ring side and we're going to connect it to the T-tap that we connected to the blue connector right here. Let's do that first. Then the other side, we're going to connect it to the T-tap we connected earlier on the green connector. Remember, if you had previously taken out one of these shields, be sure to reinstall that before reconnecting your connector. With the module connected, let's go ahead and reconnect both of our connectors back to the LCM. With your Boost Auto mod now installed onto your vehicle, there's one last thing we need to do to complete this installation. Let's go ahead and reconnect our battery. Hey, thanks so much for choosing Boost Auto for your aftermarket accessory needs. To get the product featured in this video, or to check out all of the other products we have to offer for your vehicle, head on over to boostauto.com. Again, that's boostauto.com for all of your aftermarket accessory needs. And with that, we'll catch you in the next one.